हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, यूट्यूब चैनल सोशियो क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम इस वीडियो में बीए फिफ्थ सेमेस्टर के इकोनॉमिक्स के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। नेम ऑफ द पेपर इज़ इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ डेवलपमेंट। स्टूडेंट्स, इसके अलावा बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और सिलेबस के वीडियो यहीं से आप देख सकते हो, वहाँ से अपने पेपर की तैयारी कर सकते हो। इसी में से आपका पेपर आना होता है। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन सबसे पहले, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट, डिफाइन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट, व्हाट इज़ द कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन एंड डिफाइन ड्यूलिज्म, गिव अजम्पशन ऑफ सोलोज मॉडल, व्हाट इज़ बैलेंस्ड ग्रोथ, व्हाट आर इनकम डिप्रेसिंग फोर्सेस एंड एक्सप्लेन एज ऑफ हाई मास कंजप्शन, व्हाट इज़ इम्पोर्ट substitution, what is labor intensive technique and what is a totalitarian planning, what is development strategy, differentiate between economic growth and development, capital output ratio, self reliance, progressive state, explain stationary state, define market failure, explain surplus value, what is meant by entrepreneur, explain the terms DPA and SOC, define structural employment, actual rate of growth, per capita income, capital formation, explain capital formation, define various circles of poverty, neutral rate of growth, any two assumptions of new classical model of growth, technological dualism, social dualism, external economies, stimulants, balanced growth, financial planning, capital intensive technique, social overhead capital, Niti Aayog, price mechanism, export promotion, define the concept of takeoff, what do you mean by stimulants and shocks, define an underdeveloped economy, explain distinguish unemployment, define the term capitalist sector, what is the meant by variable capital, what is made by forward linkage, what is meant by purchasing power parity, name the agency which prepares the Human Development Index and mention any two components of HDI, what are the ways to enhance human capital formation, how can we reduce distinguish unemployment in rural areas, state the formula for getting real per capita income, population growth rate of 8% per annum, national income growth rate at 8% per annum, calculate per capita income growth rate using wooden plow and tractors at the same time is called as dash, in which 5-year plan India adopted balanced growth strategy, what is meant by backward and forward linkages. In a capitalist economy, prices of commodities are determined by dash, what is meant by outward looking strategy. Unbalanced growth, warranted rate of growth, shocks and stimulants, indicative planning, export promotion, backward linkages, invisibility of demand, price mechanism, physical quality of life index. स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस। अब हर एक यूनिट में से 2 लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आने हैं। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन कहीं से भी पूछे जा सकते हैं। लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन यूनिट वाइज इसी तरह से आपके पेपर में आने हैं। हर एक यूनिट में से 2 लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन ये उसी तरह से मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर किए गए हैं। सबसे पहले यूनिट फर्स्ट, explain various features of underdeveloped economy, and next, what is underdeveloped economy, describe in detail its main features, and then explain the factors that determine economic development of a country, and then critically explain the Narkes thesis of distinguished unemployment, and next critically examine Narkes theory, and then explain in detail Narkes thesis of district unemployment, what is its main limitations, and then distinguish between economic growth and economic development, discuss the major drawbacks of the income based measures of economic development, and then critically examine Lewis' theory of unlimited supply of labor, and then explain the role of economic and non-economic determinants in economic development, and then explain the determinants of economic development. यूनिट सेकंड, इसमें लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन इस तरह से है, एक्सप्लेन हैरोल्ड डॉमर मॉडल ऑफ ग्रोथ, and next critically examine Boyke's theory of social dualism, and then explain the Harvard model of growth. 7. Is it applicable in underdeveloped countries? And next, explain technical dualism as proposed by Benjamin Huygens. What are its major weaknesses? And then explain the new classical theory of economic growth, and then explain technical dualism as proposed by Benjamin Huygens. What are its major weaknesses? And then what is the difference between social and technical dualism? Critically evaluate the theory of social dualism, and then critically examine Solo's model of growth, and then what are the possible growth patterns propounded by Solo's model, and then evaluate Solo's model, and then explain critically a classical model of growth. यूनिट 3 के लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन इस तरह से हैं. क्रिटिकली एक्सप्लेन द थ्योरी ऑफ बिग पुश, एंड देन एक्सप्लेन क्रिटिकल minimum effort thesis, and then explain Nurke's theory of balanced growth, and then discuss balanced growth strategy of economic development, and then critically examine the critical minimum effort thesis as explained by Liebenstein for sustained economic development in underdeveloped countries, and then state and explain the theory of big push with its limitations, and then explain various stages of economic development as given by Rostow. Critically explain Rostow's theory of stages of growth, and then explain Liebenstein's critical minimum effort thesis, and then critically examine the Liebenstein's critical minimum effort thesis, and then explain balanced and unbalanced growth strategy, and then explain Liebenstein's critical minimum effort theory. स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें कई क्वेश्चंस के आंसर सेम है, लेकिन उसको मोल्ड करके यहाँ डाला गया है. ऐसे ही आपके पेपर में भी क्वेश्चन मोल्ड करके आ सकते हैं. यूनिट 4 के लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन इस तरह से हैं. व्हाट इज़ प्राइस मैकेनिज्म, हाउ इज़ इट ऑपरेटिव अंडर इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग, and then what is export promotion, give its advantages and disadvantages, and then what is meant by export promotion, what are its advantages and disadvantages. And next, explain the term economic planning, discuss in detail the major problems of economic planning for a developing economy. What are the objectives of economic planning, explain the problems faced by the planned economics, and then explain the objectives and problems of planning. And next, explain the role of planning in underdeveloped economies, and then explain economic planning, what are the objectives of economic planning, and then explain the strategy of economic planning in underdeveloped countries. And next, explain the merits and demerits of labor intensive technique, and then distinguish between labor intensive techniques and capital intensive techniques, give the arguments in favor of labor intensive techniques, and then critically explain the choice of techniques, and then critically explain the social marginal productivity criteria and reinvestment criteria of investment. स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन एंड शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. इसी में से आपका पेपर आना है, इनकी तैयारी आप अच्छे से कर लेना. मे गॉड्स गाइडेंस बी विद यू ड्यूरिंग द एग्ज़ाम, and may you be able to answer each questions correctly. My prayers and blessings are with you. Thank you so much. मिलते हैं हम अपने अगले वीडियो में.